people, and welcome back to another vlog. Let me decrease the volume first. So as usual, Tanya just took bath and she's rocking her new attire
for the second time.
Yeah. And Marvel is sitting over there. Can you see him? Can you see him? Right there. He's waiting for somebody to give him treats. I don't know, whenever he feels like eating some treats, he just goes there and sit. So, Marvel, are you waiting for Treatos? Look at that. So, Tanya and I, we decided to make something. And whenever we make something, how can we make it if we don't share it with you guys? So before I show you, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment. Now I can tell you what's making. We are making Gulab Jamun. So what's happening?
50% extra Gulab Jamun.
Because what's been happening is that whenever I wake up and I see our family group, everybody is a chef these days. Everybody is posting something or another. And when something gets tempting enough, why don't just make it? Yeah. So we decided to make Gulab Jamun. For the very first time, I'm trying MTR packet. We have tried Gits before, but this is the first time we are making with MTR, and I'm gonna making it for the very first time. I think she is the one who always make it. She made gurke, rasgulle, she made the Gulab Jamun and everything. So today I thought maybe I'll make it, and she's of course gonna help me. So let's get started. So obviously, everybody must have made these. There's no rocket science going on. I'm not gonna be making the Gulab Jamuns where you fill something inside because we don't like it. And it's pretty simple. I have to knead this dough into a smooth dough with 1/4 cup of water, and then I have to make the balls, fry them, and dip in a sugar syrup. As for the sugar syrup, they are giving the ratio of 1:1, so we are gonna follow that and see how it comes out. And Babe, are you gonna make the sugar syrup?
Yes.
Once I'm done.
You have to tell the ratio though.
Okay. So yes, so we are gonna make the sugar syrup and then we are gonna put this in. But I'm definitely excited to try these and show you guys the end result. So let's get started.
Fry नहीं करा तुमको ये सॉरी के भी तू जो के हाथ में
Okay guys, mission Gulab Jamun is almost towards the completion, and apparently I need some more practice for sure with my kneading skills, because some of them cracked up, some of them came really good. Let me show you. If you look like this, you can see like some of these cracked up, but some of them are really good. Over here, see, over there. So definitely need some more skills and practice,
or know the right technique basically.
Or yeah, I mean, one way or another, like I have to learn one way or another I have to learn the technique to knead and, you know, make the binding perfect so it comes out all smooth. She's sleepy already. She's very tired. She worked out for 8 hours today.
I did not. So this packet, it says that it makes 60.
Yeah.
But then it made like
35-ish.
Maybe because of the size difference.
Yeah, maybe we made bigger than what they would expect you to make.
Yeah.
I definitely got bored at the end and start making bigger ones to just
you finish it off.
Also, because I'll still eat 2 Gulab Jamun after meal, and I can have bigger 2s instead of smaller 2s.
Also, all these are not just for us.
Yes. So we are gonna have a company real soon.
Yes.
On Sunday. So we are just prepping a little bit in advance because these are the things that do not go bad in 3 days. So we are just making something each day and keeping it. And you guys take a guess who is gonna be here. So let's see how many of you can take a guess.
Yeah, you guys have like 2-3 days to keep guessing.
Yeah,
and in the
I mean, if you have seen our videos for a pretty long time, you would be able to guess it.
Yeah.
But if you are new, then definitely it could be a little bit harder. But yes, try to take a guess. I'm excited. Okay, so I am gonna taste one. It got super soft. Look at that. It got really soft, but it's gonna be super hot too. See, the gulab jamun is super soft. Look at that, it almost got murdered. I'm gonna try it. We have one strand of saffron in there, imagine. Mmm.
Good.
Oh my god, I like it. Let me have you taste it.
Just make it all cool down. Mmm.
तो घुमा तो अपनी तरफ.
It's good. It's really good.
Not too sweet. For you it will be sweet.
Yeah, I mean, I find gulab jamun always very sweet, and rasgulla less sweet, but it's good. It tastes good. Are you enjoying it?
So soft.
It's definitely very soft. So sweet. Need water.
It was this, the cap of the hot water bag.
We're making dinner now, and for dinner we are having shake. This is my shake here. This is in coffee flavor. Which flavor do you want, babe?
Banana.
Banana caramel.
Okay, change of plans. I'm not having shake. I don't feel like eating anything because I had a heavy snack in the evening when she came. Because I had an heavy snack in the evening, and we started. Huh?
I'm saying, don't even ask them what the heavy snack is.
And we started watching Never Have I Ever on Netflix, which is a series based on an Indian girl who was born and brought up in America.
Yeah.
And it is super amazing. It is so good. I mean, you guys, if you're looking for a new series to watch, recommendation. Camera is a little shaky. My recommendation is to definitely start watching that one next. And this little guy is sitting here. He's hoping that he gets something to eat. Marvel?
What do you want? You already ate your dinner, baby.
Marvel? You already ate. What do you want? You already ate. Everybody is in the camera over here. Do you see? Over here in the camera, they are seeing you. And they are saying, oh my god, who is this beautiful boy? They all are saying that. They're saying, who is this cute boy? Anyways, guys, we are gonna go watch. We are gonna go watch Never Have I Ever and see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so we are almost done cleaning up the kitchen and stuff, so we are gonna go hit the bed. Warming up some water to fill in her hot water bag.
This is like my new routine that I do. Even though there is no pain in my body, I just like to take my hot water bag and sleep. It's so comfortable.
And I have no idea how she does that because it's just too hot. And yesterday I was like, oh no, it's just too hot, it's gonna make me hot. And then she passed on it to me to put it in my lower back because I was having a little sore muscle. And I put it there and I was like, no, see, I have to wait for 5 minutes before I have to actually put it on the side and then go to bed. So, but then I passed out and I don't remember when it happened, and I woke up at 3:30 in the morning and I was like, what's poking me? And then I realized, oh, there's a hot water bag. Apparently I just fell asleep.
So comfortable that he slept.
Yeah, I mean, it was definitely, it was good. So I just fell asleep and then I woke up at 3:30, put the hot water bag aside, and then I went back to bed again. So it was funny. But anyways, I guess we are gonna see you guys tomorrow morning. And for now, we are just gonna go hit the bed.
Good night.
Good night, guys. Good morning, people. Well, I'm seeing you after a long time. Look at Marvel, he's sleeping here. He's such a baby. He's sleeping over here. We wake up at 5 in the morning, but I didn't start the vlog then because we were like winding up our work, but I'll record a separate video for our morning routine and stuff. The weather is super beautiful outside. Look at that. The weather is really cool. I already started working. It's 7:30ish now. So I was here in the morning at 5. I edit videos. So I was helping my brother edit a video for him. And then I already started working a little while ago. That's the benefit of working from home. You can start working whenever you want. And now I'm taking like a 20-minute break. I'm gonna go just take a quick shower, and then I have already had my tea. If you guys do not know, every morning we drink this tea which boosts your metabolism and it enhances your fat burn rate and it gives you energy for the day. So it's from Herbalife Nutrition. We both love it, and everybody who has tried till date, even my parents, even the most paranoid people about trying supplements, have tried this and loved it. So I'm glad I can share this with you guys as well if you want to try. But we have already have all that. I'm gonna go take a shower and then go back to working. So basically I just gave walk to Marvel real quick. I always log in early. I always take a little 15-minute break where I can feed him and show him in the yard. And now I was just gonna have my tabbies, and many people keep asking about making a video on how are we trying to stay healthy, and we replied so many comments on Instagram as well on how are we trying to stay healthy during these lockdown days where everybody is trying to cook all these delicious meals and stuff. So my 3 favorite tabbies I thought I'll share with you, especially during quarantine. Okay, my top favorite tabbies is this one, which is called cellulose, and this one is basically for your water elimination. Another one that I'm taking these days is this one, and it is called joint support. It's for healthier bones. If you're trying to go on a run or trying to do something that you haven't done in a while, this could help. And then this one is immunity booster. So this one helps you with your immunity, especially these days. Tabbies that I'm taking these days, along with my vitamin shake, a vitamin protein shake in the morning and vitamin protein shake for dinner. And then I have snacks and meals so that I make sure that it's not just liquid diet I'm relying on, but a well-balanced diet. Also on Fridays and Saturdays, yes, we cook all these delicious recipes and post it out, but for the other times that you're not see we are actually trying to maintain this healthier routine. So if you guys have any questions about the tabbies I just showed you, you always feel free to comment and ask us. Most people will make an opinion right away. Oh my god, so many tablets, what happened to you? No, these are very safe supplements, and I'm taking them during these times just because these are the times when you need them. Nobody can make sure that you are having enough amount of vitamins and proteins and a well-balanced diet from food directly, because one food is saturated in vitamin C, the other food is saturated in vitamin D, the other food is saturated in zinc, which helps with immunity, you know, things like that. So you cannot eat all the food every day. So that is the only reason I believe in supplements and I take them. So that is the reason I believe in supplements, and I take them to try to follow a very well-balanced diet along with it. And once again, cellulose is a diuretic that helps you eliminate all the excess water, and the immunity booster is an immunity booster, and then joint support is just a little bit extra calcium. So anyways, I'm gonna have my tabbies and head back to work. Another great tip, drink a lot of water. Lots and lots of water. When your body is dehydrated, the brain tries to give you a signal that it's hungry. So if you're drinking a lot of water, you will actually know if you're hungry when you're really hungry. So that's the tip for the day. And another great tip that I can share with you guys is that don't let your hunger reach to a level 5. So if I have to scale it from 1 to 5, never let your hunger reach to a level 5, because when it reaches at there, you just pick the first thing you want to eat and eat it, and you do not have control. Always eat when you are at like a 4. Eat something, you know. So don't get super hungry before eating. When you're some hungry, get a small bite. That's how you stay healthy. Okay guys, so I'm taking a quick lunch break, and I was thinking of what to eat, and then I thought of making katre. So we made them, cut them and freeze them. So we had a little bit of those. There are 2 types. One is made from besan and one is made from lentils, dal. I'm gonna use the one made from besan, and I'm not gonna show you the recipe or anything. I'm gonna try this myself for the very first time, so maybe next time I'll share it with you guys. All I'm gonna do is take some cumin and all the regular masalas that we have, coriander powder, red chili, paprika, and garam masala and all that, and then I'm gonna just saute it with some onion, tomatoes, ginger and garlic, and then put the katre in and make it like dry ones, and then eat them. So that's what I'm gonna have for lunch, and I guess this is it for the vlog, since it's continuing from the last evening. And I hope you guys really enjoyed some tips and tricks to stay healthy at quarantine. And do not forget to share, like, subscribe and comment and share it with your friends and family. So I hope you guys are staying safe, stay home, and we will see you in our next vlog. Until then,